Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, this is my jet ski that I've been working on for the past couple months. It really hasn't been a priority, so it's been taking a while. And so today, we're putting on the carbon fiber hood. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I just picked this up from Hydro Dip. So here this thing is. It came out freaking sick. It's not real carbon, obviously, it's Hydro Dip, so it's just fake, it's paint, but it came out sick. But right now, we're buffing the ski to get rid of all this oxidation and get it looking. We already did this side, Alex over here buffing it out, but this is kind of not the finished product, but it's almost done. And that's just one section we do. We still gotta do the whole ski, and then I'm pulling off this trim, which I have to drill out the rivets with a drill, and then I'll pull this off so I can paint this black, but it's coming along. I got the seat wrapped and everything too already black, and the ski's coming along, so it's looking good. And today it's gonna be all finished, so we're gonna work on it today and hopefully get this thing done, get it buffed, and get everything put back together. So that's the plan in this 105 degree Florida heat. It feels like we got no fans in here or anything, but at the house, working out of the garage. All right, so first things first, I got to drill these rivets out. I just popped off the caps with a little screwdriver, but I'm gonna have to drill these out so these pop off, and then I can slide this out. But just real quick, I thought I'd tell you I'm giving away this Yeti here. If you want to win, all you have to do is go to my Instagram and go tag 2 friends in the post, and also subscribe to the channel, and then you can win this brand new Yeti 65. You know,
I thought it was the one behind it.
Yeah, we might give this one away too. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep this one. Maybe I'll keep that one and give you guys this one. It's like I swap them out. I tell them, yeah, man, congrats. You get one that I already used.
Yeah.
No, that's why we got this brand new one. We got to treat y'all right. So, you know, subscribe and go tag some friends on my Instagram post. But I'm gonna start drilling these out and get this thing looking right. So we got these all painted up. They look pretty good. I did it in gloss black. I just had that hanging around the garage, so I went ahead and sprayed it with that. But it looks good. We're letting those dry, and while those dry, Alex in here buffing away, making it look, putting that shine on that thing. See, this is what it looked like before, all you know, all oxidized and whatnot, and now it's all glossed out. Putting that reflection on that thing. But look at this little lizard chilling. He's literally, look, you can see him. He's been there since we started, and it's been like 3 hours. He's way up in there now. He's just hanging out, cooling it. But this thing's coming along. I'm gonna let those rails dry, and once they're dry, we're gonna put it back together. But looking good, and we're getting this thing done. All right, so we're working hard out here, so, you know, gotta treat the man right. Pop him up. Oh, here we go. Ready? Oh, there it is. Gotta let the man cool down.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, this thing's looking good. Looking shiny. So we just finished buffing it, or Alex just finished buffing it and waxing it. So now we're gonna throw the hood on, throw the side trims on that I just painted, and put the seats back on, and it'll be all done. So let's put this stuff on. All right, guys, so we just finished buffing it all up. Alec made this thing look minty fresh. This thing's looking shining like a diamond. And the hydro dip came out sick. Kyle did that over at Wrap It Up Hydrographics. He does a sick job over there. I mean, it's not real carbon, but it looks pretty close just for being just a hydro dip. But it's looking great. All the green's gone. We got it all back together. The only thing I still have to do is I got to rivet these corners back on because these are rivets. They're not like screws or anything. But other than that, it came out sick. So that's a wrap for this build. It's all done and it's looking exactly how I want. So now it's ready to take out. You know, hit up Alec. You need any? he don't like doing this. He's a firefighter, but he came out and helped out today. But yeah, if you want to win this Yeti, don't forget to subscribe and also go to my Instagram and tag 2 friends in the post and you could win this. It kind of matches up with the ski pretty cool. I kind of wanted to, if I was keeping it, I'd bungee cord it on there, but you know, I'm giving it away. I got other Yetis, so I'm not worried about it. But I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think of the ski. Let me know if you liked what I did, if you liked I got rid of the green and everything, and I guess if you liked the video, drop a like, and I guess I'll catch you guys in the future. So, see you next time. Peace.